Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we are heading to Genting Highlands. It's one of the best spots in Malaysia, and it's famous for its roads and for gambling, which I don't really do. The weather, because you're going up the mountain, and it's very nice. We are going there. We are gonna have an epic drive. We are gonna take you along on the journey. So if it doesn't rain, we will take some epic drone shots. If it rains, I have a plan, which is called drifting. Looks like we are having some rain ahead of us. It's quite heavy actually. Still have some fun. We will drive a bit less fast. First things first, go to sport mode. Okay guys, it looks like there's a lot of cars and we may not be able to drift here. There's only so much you can do with a 520d with Michelin PS4S's on there. That wasn't a drift, but these cars don't have LSD either. LSD? Yeah, limited slip differential either. So that makes it super impossible to drift. So the trick with this car I've learned is that you have to be in second or third gear, going really slow, and since your torque curve comes around 2000 RPM, once you keep it around that 2000 RPM range, you can get something out of it. So basically you have to go really slow, right, like right now, and then punch it around 1.5. What are you doing? Nothing, bro. I'm just happy to try one more here. So as I said before, bring it down to around 1500 RPM and punch it.
damn it! Well, that was something.
Not bad.
Not bad
Not bad.
for a beginner.
Not bad for a beginner with a diesel 5 Series. So I just saw a random BMW 5 Series pass by me. He had the same body kit. He had the 528i. Looked quite similar to my car. He had the same front lip, and we asked him so we can shoot some footage together, and he was cool. Car guys, they are all like families and they are all cool with each other, so that's one thing I really like about owning a BMW and being into cars, you know. Okay, God help me. This is the only time we can do this, okay? My car would not slide if it's not raining this hard and the parking lot is
Oh man, I'm just scared about that.
About what? A long time since I've done this.
Nice. That was awesome. Can we go home now?
No. One more.
Bro!
This is so much fun. Okay, I'm done now. Okay, let me check my tires out, by the way. Yeah, that's not what you want. Okay, yeah, looks like we have done some damage. We have done some damage to the car. Okay, nice.
What have you done?
I have chipped the rims.
Chipped the rims?
Yeah.
Wah, wah, wah.
I need to get them refinished.
No way, dude.
That's fine.
Oh my god. Alright, at least we got a content for our next vlog.
At least we got content for our next vlog. Refurbishing my 19-inch rims.
Oh my god. Alright guys, that was an awesome drive. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it as well. I can never get tired of this place, especially since it has an amazing road and the weather is very cold here, which I really enjoy compared to KL. Right now we are at Chinsui Temple. It's an amazing place. I just did some work over there with my laptop and my iPad and everything. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this with anyone who you think you might enjoy it. We put a lot of time and effort into making these videos, so we really appreciate it if you guys like the video. Let's grow to 1,000 subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram. We're actually growing quite fast over there. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome day. Peace out.